And you're back. All right. Israel's hand. Israel's thumb. Gonna head out for a few minutes though. Okay. Thank you for stopping in. Thank you for following. Thank you for chatting. It's been a pleasure. And we got fingers. All right. That was faster than I expected. Let's do Joseph's face, side of the face. So you see right here how it doesn't matter what I did with the background because I put those on the layer of the background layer. So it makes it a lot faster for me if I don't care too much about the background. I will get back to that later. I'm just going to leave it there for later. Do you have a Discord? I do have a Discord. Having a Discord doesn't mean that I necessarily pay attention to my Discord. I apologize. I am a sinful man. Go away from me, Lord. I am a sinful man. I do not... Maybe I should look at my Discord now that I'm thinking about it. Where's my Discord link? Where did I put my Discord link? I think I put it... Nightbot will know what my Discord link is. There we go. You are hereby cordially invited to join the Artsy Bible Nerd Discord server. No RSVPs are necessary. You are quite welcome. I'm not sure. Thee, thou, ye, yuns. That's a Pennsylvania thing. Y'all. Words. Tell me you're from Pennsylvania without telling me you're from Pennsylvania. Yuns. All right, back to the big brush. Lend me your ears, Israel, Jacob, whatever your name is. Lend me your ears. Daughters of Jerusalem. All right, I think that's it. I think I've found all the flesh tones that need to be colored in. Oh, missing an ear here. Oh, missing his lips and his mouth. All right, what is next? Let's take care of some hair. Color swatches. Let's see. Joseph's hair. Joseph's hair. Nope, wrong page. Let's look at this one. Joseph's hair is this color. Illinois resident said the link was invalid. Missing an ear. Flash forward to Peter. Oh, that's very good. Oh, bother. Let's take care of your Discord link. See, I told you I was a sinful man. I told you that I'm a horrible Discord owner. I don't keep my link up to date. Go away from me, Lord. I'm a sinful man. Go away from me, Lord. I do everything I can to live by your precepts, Lord, to live by your laws. But I fail. Go away from me, Lord. Your invite link expires in 7 days. I think it's already expired. Generate a new link. Here we go. Copied, and then go over here, and of course it's a real song. Does it sound like a real song? It's got lyrics. It's got, it's got melody. Whether I wrote it or not, it's still a real song. Yes, it is a real song. I wrote it a long time ago. Still haven't recorded it. Ooh, that's a bad idea. Writing a song is easy. Recording songs are hard. To me, at least.